Looking to earn extra cash without any investment? In this video, I'll walk you through some realistic and easy ways to make money online. You do not need any kind of experience or fancy skills. Whether you are aiming to build a side hustle, bring in a passive income, or simply add to your savings, these methods can help you earn from the comfort of your home. You can start making money with just a laptop or a smartphone. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can open Chrome browser and search your movie roller. You can click here to open this URL. You can use this platform to create mobile apps for Android and iOS without coding. This platform is trusted by thousands of people all over the world. As you can see, this platform has got almost 5-star ratings. You can create app, you can test your app, and you can publish your app on markets. You can publish your application on Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Hawaii App Gallery, Amazon App Store, Vivo App Store, and many more. You can earn money using your application. First of all, you will have to create an account on this platform. You can click on this button. Now click on sign up button. Now you can type here your name. You can type here your email address, you can type here your password, and you can click here to accept your terms and conditions. And at last, you can click on create your account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create new app button. Now you can type your app name. For example, I'm going to type your demo. Now you can click on next button. Here you can see there are a lot of templates to choose from. You can make business application, shopping application, education, fashion, health, music, sport, cafe, personal, and special. You can select any of this category. For example, I'm going to select your shopping category. Here you can see 5 templates in shopping category. I'm going to choose this template. Click on choose template button. Now click on OK button. Click here to open this application. Now click on content button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of contents available on this platform. You can add any of this content in your application. You can add website, sub-menu, e-commerce pro, Shopify, IPTV, news and announcement, YouTube Pro, photo gallery, YouTube. You can add any of this content. You can click on this button to preview your application. Here is showing my application. I'm going to add contents in my application. I'm going to add a fashion photo. Click on add to app button. Now you can type your title. You can scroll down. You can select here this option. I'm going to upload your photos. You can go on Google and search your pixels. You can click here to open this URL. Now you can search your fashion. Here you can see there are a lot of images to choose from. You can download any of these images. For example, I'm going to download this image. You can click here. Now you can click on this icon. You can select any of this image size. You can click on this button to download this image. You can download hundreds of images from Pixels platform. Now you can go on this platform. You can click on select photos button. You can select all of these images. Now you can click on open button. You can click on upload all photos button. Now click on save button. In next step, I'm going to add your My Store. Guys, you can create a store using Shopify platform or Teespring platform. You do not need to worry about products. This platform will provide you lots of products to sell. Guys, I have already created a store on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account on this platform, you will then come to this page. You can click on create product button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of products available on this platform. I'm going to design this product. Click on this icon. Guys, you can add your image. You can also add your text. You can click on this button. Now you can type your attractive word. Now I'm going to change its font. You can click on this icon. You can select any of this font. Click on add a text button. Type your word. Guys, you can type this kind of text. You can click here to preview this product. As you can see, this product is looking great. Now you can choose your color. You will be able to select at least 5 colors. You can scroll down. You can set your price. If you will sell this product in $40.99, then you will earn $12.17. If you will increase this price, then your profit will be also increase. You can set your price. If you will sell this product in $41.99, then you will earn $13.17. You can click on continue button. Here you can see more products. You can simply click on this plus button to add this product in your store. Now you can click on continue button. Type your title. Now type your description. Now you can click on launch listing button. Guys, it will take some time. Yeah, here we go. My product has successfully listed on my store. Click on share URL button. Guys, here is showing my product. Now in next step, you can go on movie roller platform. I'm going to select this option. Click on add to app button. Now type your title. Now paste your URL. Click on save button. Now I'm going to change my app name. Click on this icon. Type your app name. You can upload your app logo. You can visit on Canva platform. You can click on this icon. Now search your logo. I'm going to make your simple logo. You can search your shopping. Here you can see there are a lot of icons. You can select any of this icon. Now you can type here your app name. You can change its color. Now click on share button. Click on download button. Click on download button. Now go on this platform. Click on pick image button. Click on choose image button. You can select this logo. Now click on open button. You can adjust this logo. Now click on save button. Click on save button. Now click on this button. Guys, here is showing app name. And here is showing app icon. I'm going to preview my application. Click on this icon. Click here. Here is showing my application. You can click here to view images. Guys, it's not looking great. I'm going to change its view. You can click here. You can enable this option. Now you can select other view. Click on save button. Now I'm going to check it. Click on this icon. Click on this button. You can click here. Yeah, it's looking great. You can click here to go back. Now you can click here to view a store. As you can see, my store is looking great. If you are unable to make a store on Teespring platform, then you can visit on YouTube and you can search your how to make a store on Teespring. Here you can see there are a lot of videos in search result. You can watch any of this tutorial to create your store on Teespring platform. Now I'm going to monetize my application with AdMob. You can go on Google and search your AdMob. You can click here to open this URL. You can earn more revenue with your apps. AdMob is a best and trusted platform. AdMob is a Google's product. Let me show you how much money you can earn. You can select your region. You can select your device. You can select your category. I'm going to select your shopping category. Now click on calculate button. Guys, here you can see if you will get 50,000 monthly active users on your application, then you will earn $528 per month. You can increase users on your application to earn more money. You can click on get started button. Guys, you can create account using your email address and password. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. After creating AdMob account, you can click on apps button. Now you can click on this button. You can select your platform. You can select your no option. I have not listed my app on supported app store. Now click on continue button. Type your app name. Click on add app button. Click on done button. Now go on movie roller platform. You can scroll down. Click on monetization button. Click on advertisement button. Enable Android option. Now you can type your AdMob app ID. You can visit on AdMob. Click on app settings button. Here is showing app ID. You can click here to copy this app ID. Now go on movie roller platform. Paste your app ID. Now I'm going to create interstitial ad and banner ads. You can go on AdMob, click on add units button, click on get started button. Here is showing banner option and here is showing interstitial option. Click on select button, type your unit name. Now click on create add unit button. Here is showing banner add unit ID. Click here to copy this unit ID. Now go on movie roller platform. Paste your banner add unit ID. Now I'm going to add your interstitial add unit ID. You can go on AdMob, click on done button. Click on add unit button. Here is showing interstitial ad format. Click on select button. Type your unit name. You can type your anything. Now click on create add unit button. Here is showing interstitial add unit ID. Click here to copy this unit ID. Now go on this platform and paste your unit ID. Now you can click here. You can select a rare option. Display interstitial ads after every 2 minutes. You can scroll down. Now click on save button. Now I'm going to export this application. You can click on dashboard button. Here you can see generate app option. You can click here. Now you can click on next button. Guys, here is showing package name. If you will publish your application on Amazon App Store, Vivo App Store, Google Play Store, then all App Store will ask you about your package name. Now click on generate app button. Guys, it will take some time. Now you can click on app details button. You can click here to download this application in APK format. Now I'm going to run this application in my Android device. Guys, as you can see, my application is looking great. Here is showing advertisement. When someone will click on this advertisement, then you will earn money. Sometimes this advertisement will not show on your application. You can visit on your AdMob. Here you can see requires review. You can click on add shop button. Guys, you will have to publish your application on App Store. Once your app will be live on App Store, then Google will display advertisement continuously on your application. You can publish your application on Amazon App Store, Oppo App Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, Vivo App Store, and Google Play Store. After publishing your application on App Store, you can select your App Store. Now you can click on continue button. Now you will have to type your package name. You can go on Movie Roller platform. Here is showing package name. You can copy this package name. Now you can go on AdMob and paste your package name. Now you can click on save button. Guys, it's very simple to earn money with AdMob. Google directly transfer amount to bank account. As you can see here, I have received $3,511 from Google. You can also earn lots of money from Google AdMob. If you want to learn more about AdMob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.